Panerai has announced some new Due models for 2024, and on the surface, they look kind of like Duets of the past, but there's a couple details you won't notice online that make big changes for these models. I'm Elizabeth. I'm with Oliver Smith Jeweler. We are big Panerai fans. I'm a big Panerai Due fan. This is my daily driver watch. We have boutiques in Scottsdale, Arizona and Aspen, Colorado. Come visit us in person, or you can always send us a message or head to our website. Panerai released the Due line a couple years ago, meant to be more of a dress watch. For me, it's a great option if you think that Panerai is too big for you and too heavy, or you already have some Panerai models and you want to switch it up a little bit. Just in the last year or two, Panerai started to release the Due models on a bracelet, which is awesome. We know Panerai as leather straps, rubber straps, and those are still available, but it's nice to have a metal bracelet option. So now in 2024, not only are we getting the bracelet, but we're getting a tapered bracelet. So before, it was the same measurement all the way, lugs to the buckle on the bracelet. I've worn it. To be honest, it's a smaller watch, so it didn't bother me too much. But the idea with the tapered bracelet is that it's one, more comfortable on the wrist, and two, is going to wear a little bit lighter. So if you think about your wrist when you're maybe moving it around and you're kind of bending it a little tighter, that tapering is going to help as it's smaller at the buckle but thicker at the lugs. For the 42 millimeter Due size, it's a 22 millimeter at the lugs, tapering to 18 millimeters. And for the 38 millimeter, we are at 20 millimeters at the lugs, tapering to 16 millimeters. This isn't something you won't notice right away, maybe even when the watch is on display. It's slight, but it will make a comfort difference on your wrist when you're wearing it. The next exciting feature I want to point out about these new bracelets is they're a quick release system. I haven't seen a quick release bracelet yet from Panerai. The Due collection featured the quick release straps first. You can easily pop them on and off. You do still have to change the buckle. Now you can easily pop on and off the bracelet. So you can have lots of different color options. If you're not feeling the bracelet that day, you can put on a leather. There's now rubber straps for the Due collection as well, which I think really solidify it as its own collection, not just a dress watch. It still is a Panerai. It's just a little bit thinner and a little bit lighter. The Due collection really is a watch for both men and women. It just comes down to a size preference. If you've worn the Due on the tapered bracelet already, let us know in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you thought about the wear and the comfort of it. And if you'd like to learn more, send us a message, or you can always visit us in store in Scottsdale and Aspen.